Tell me what happened last night.
We had a little bit of an argument, but it wasn't a big deal.
Just get out. Just get out. Leave. Go.
You're kicking me out?
That's right.
You're kicking me out!
That's right. I want you to take your stuff. I want to take yourself. Go out the door. When I wake up in the morning, you better be gone. Then what did you do?
I just went home.
So let me get this straight. Then you found him dead?
Yeah. He was dead. And still in his pajamas.
I feel my heart start to trembling whenever you're around. Ooh, baby, when I see your face, mellow as the month of May. Oh, darling.
Milk in my cell.
As the month of May. Oh, as the month of May. As the month of May. Oh, darling. As the month of
Hey, Chris. Chris, what's up, man? Yeah, I know it's a little early. Listen, can you do me a favor? Can you come over? Yeah. Why? Well, every time I open my fridge, I go back in time. Hello? Hi, Mom. Hi. Yeah, I'm doing okay. How are you? That's good. Could you put Dad on the phone? I just want to talk to Dad. No, there's no problem. There's no problem. Just let me talk to Dad real quick. Mom, I just want to talk to Dad. No, Mom. No, Mom. If there was a problem, if there was a problem, I would tell you. There is no problem, but I just want to talk to Dad. Can you put Dad on? Oh, never mind, Mom. Never mind. Please, baby. Please, baby. Please, baby. Please come over.
Pajamas. Why am I doing this?
I need milk.
You want some milk?
Yes.
I'll get you some milk.
Thank you.
As the month of May.
Please, baby, please come over. Please. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Okay. Bye. Bye. Circuit breaker. Yes. Yes. That's right. Yeah.
I know you have something to do with this. I just can't figure it out. How did you poison the milk?
I didn't do it. I would never do such a thing. Even though he clearly deserved it.